Well, that's it. I've eaten my way around the Bangkok streets and I paid a total of Good morning from the Thai capital, the Big Mango, Bangkok. And today we're gonna take in some of the best street food spots and look at the prices as we eat our way around this city. And as it does so often, especially in this time of the year, it just started to rain. We're not gonna let that deter us. Now, first stop, I need a
May I have a flat white?
much better. This little place right here, I found on the internet doing some searches. It's a new flagship store, Rise Coffee. It's in the Sukhumvit area. This is where I'm staying. That's where the major sky rail is, where all the action is happening. There they roast their own beans. They have their specialty blends. It tastes pretty darn good too. The price on this was 110 Thai baht. And the great thing about Bangkok, in these areas like this, there are specialty places popping up all the time. You can find some awesome coffee shops, some awesome eateries. Bangkok has a lot to offer. You'll recognize the Sukhumvit by this massive rail system that runs along. It's a sky rail, it's called the BTS. I'm not gonna take it, but what it does offer is shelter from the storm. Now there are so many options along here because this is an office area too. You see people coming and going, grabbing things from some of these stalls here and taking them to their office. Now I just stopped at this first place here right off the street. This lady's making up these rolls here filled with the custard. You can get them with sausage, you can get them with seafood. This one simply has a custard with an egg batter. The cost of this, only 20 baht. That's around 50 cents for two of these rolls. What a cheap way to start the day. Now these would be similar to like a pastry, a croissant that you get in France or Italy. Oh, the sun's back out in Bangkok. And it's a nice little nibble that you can have as you're walking to the next spot. Now I saw this place earlier. I think people mostly get this food to take it and go, but
What's inside?
now look at this greatness. Little dumpling pork balls that I got from the vendor there. 30 Thai baht, around about 30 US cents. There are two different colors. There's the green one and there's this one here. They're both the same, pork inside, steamed and delicious. She put some spicy sauce on there, some onions, and they're delivered up in this little plastic bag, so the sauces are all in there. The dumplings are marinated in that spicy sauce, and you can get them anywhere along the street. They set up shop in the morning around about 8 o'clock to get all the hustle and bustle of Bangkok buzzing by, and it's goodness, and it costs so little. Bangkok is a food lover's paradise. There's so much food here, even some of the Western staples like Krispy Kreme. Coffee stands everywhere. Gotta stay refreshed. 7-Eleven, well, that's the mecca when you're traveling throughout Thailand. It's got everything you need, from raincoats to ham and cheese sandwiches and to, yes, bottles of water. Couldn't resist when I saw this guy earlier. From above there, the street food vendor is selling fresh cut fruit. What town do you know of that sells fresh cut fruit like this on a busy street in a major capital like Bangkok? This is an entire cut dragon fruit for 20 baht, around about 50 cents. I mean, look at this healthy goodness. I love it. These are kaki. We're growing them right now in Italy. These, the pomegranate, and here you see prunes as well. Bye. Right now we're heading into the shopping mall right here. It's pretty schwank, the Central Embassy. This is why you gotta love Bangkok. It mixes the old with the new, but you're asking yourself, why am I in here if I'm doing a street food tour around Bangkok? Well,
May I have a flat white?
this is the reason why I'm here. Coffeeology. It's this little coffee shop on the 6th floor of this mall. Here they make some of the best coffee in this area, Sukhumvit of Bangkok. Price on this is 110, about $3 US for a flat white. Now, why come to these massive malls? Well, malls are actually pretty cool places to visit when in Bangkok, and it offers you a chance to get off the hot and humid streets, maybe escape the rain like we had this morning, and just cool off and relax. And this place is spectacular. On the 6th floor has all these restaurants. On the floors below, all the luxury shopping goods stores. The coffee is great here too. We're back up on the skywalk here. It's beautiful here, and I'm hoping to get the BTS SkyTrain to our next destination. And we are on the BTS. We are at another mall. This is the famous Terminal 21 Mall. It's not the most fanciest mall in all of Bangkok, but it has something else for us. Up on the 5th floor, you'll find Pier 21, named after the famous pier in San Francisco. In fact, you see the Golden Gate Bridge right over there. And beyond that, all these little food stalls waiting to serve up greatness. It's lunch hour and it's rush hour in here. This place operates on a system of coupons, so you need to get a coupon, pay for that, and then you go up to the counter. It's low cost food, so you're gonna get a big bargain in here, and that's why it's so popular, squeezing through these people. Oh, it is madness.
Can I have a coupon?
So I got my coupon. I put 100 Thai baht on here. That's $2.60. It is really sensory overload in this place. There's so much to choose from. Look at this right here, the goodness right in there. Egg noodle with pork, and you saw them pour the broth in right there, mixed in with some soybeans and some fresh mint. You watch them prepare it right there, and when I was over there, I sprinkled on the chili peppers and some sauce as well. Look, this is good. Now I have a dilemma. I only have 48 more in credit. I'd like to get the sweet sticky rice with mango. That is 35 Thai baht, but I also have my eye on this mango banana ice blend, 39 Thai baht. I can't do both. I'm gonna need to make a decision. Can I get the mango banana blend? I couldn't resist. What's cool about that place there, they have all the fruit already chopped up and prepared in the cup. You select which cup you want, and then they just blend it up with some ice, and you need to tell them if you don't want sugar in it or not. The Thai love their sugar. They'll put sugar in everything, and there's a sign there that warns you, oh, that lady has some steamed vegetables or something that looks really good. So this was 39 Thai baht, around about $1 US. In total at Pier 21, I spent 91 Thai baht. Now there's another place I want to take you to. It's across town, and we're on our way there now, just cutting through some traffic. Bangkok at its best. I couldn't resist just a quick pit stop at one of my favorite coffee shops, Arabica. I got a large cafe latte. I needed some pep in my step to keep going in this major food day. Cost on this, 160 Thai. I got the pep in my step now, another coffee in my system, and we are on our way. If you have the courage for it, I definitely suggest doing motorbike taxis because you'll save a little bit of money. Also, it's quite an adventure and a way to get into the open air and see the city. And just look at this, the sun is going down on the river here in town. It's one of the amazing things in Southeast Asia. I did it in Vietnam, here too in Thailand, hopping on a motorbike and cruising through a big city. We've made it. I wish you could smell all the aromas with me here. We're at Pek Booty Soi 5, and this is one of those little streets, a little side street of Soi in Thailand with so many food stalls, people just selling things on every corner at every inch of this street. Look at this, the first thing I stumbled upon are bananas that have been grilled. Have you ever had grilled bananas? Drop some comments down below. Also, let me know what your favorite foods were today. And if you aren't yet subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button while you're down there. Here we go, look at this. Like a breakfast this morning, it's served up in this plastic bag, and then they're marinating in this coconut milk with sugar. Street food here has already won me over. Like most street food markets, this place really comes alive at night, and the lights light up every little area. If you guys are enjoying these adventures, traveling around, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to support me making all of these YouTube videos, please consider giving a super thanks down below. That'd be much appreciated. Another place there that's mixing up the fruit as well. You see all the fruits in the cup. She's tossing it in a blender. Okay, I'll go classic pad thai. He's on it. So right in here, next to this lady that has a barbecue going, grilling up hot dogs. Over there, there's some food stands. There's a little shop here, and the master's at work. Look at him go. This is one of those classic Thai dishes. Everybody knows it. It's pad thai. and it's served up everywhere around Thailand. The big thing right there is squeeze some lemon lime on there. It just makes it come alive. Add some chili peppers to spice it up a bit. This has the eggs, it has the soybeans. You know, pad thai, it's like the gateway drug. Once you're on this, you'll never go back. You'll start experimenting with other plates, and soon you'll be only 55 Thai baht, around about $1.30 for that. And what a bargain. Like with all this street food you see around me, they cook it up right in front of you, so you know it's fresh, you know it's gonna be good. And just have some courage, go in there and try some different plates. I know I had the pad thai, the famous dish tonight, but you should really sample some of these plates. Everything you see in here is goodness. Well, that's it. I've eaten my way around the Bangkok streets and I paid a total of 631 Thai baht, around about 17 US dollars, eating here in the Big Mango.